sleepover with Megan, Kayla, Taylor, Holly, and Landon.
Yeah.
We are behind. There goes that kid.
Open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins. Cause we've done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been. Pour yourself something cold, baby, cheers to this. Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house, play the music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house.
We have Landon with us today. That is Taylor's brother, our little cousin. He's gonna hang out with us for the weekend. And oh yeah. And right now we're just jumping. It's super windy, and we're gonna go in the pool. And this kid is crazy. Anyways, we just got back from Famous Dave's, and we're having a great. Hopefully, gonna go in the pool soon. Anyways. Later. Alright, we're all getting ready to get into this beast, aka the pool. Maybe you're the beast. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. You are a princess. And these noodles.
Look inside. Grab a noodle. Landon wants to do one.
Check out what we see. Do we see Taylor's eye? Okay, it's like way too dark.
Yeah.
They're surrounded by darkness.
Is that too scary?
Alright. Anyways,
Okay.
pool time.
You don't
Pool
need
time
to-
is a great time. Let's do this.
Is that better?
Okay, so we are going to a park. We've been to this park before. Let's roll a little clip of us at the park last year. Ice cream at the softball park. Alright, you guys, are you excited for the park?
Yes, and we got Landon here, so we're all good.
Yeah.
Do that.
Landon is already like
Okay,
jamming on the playground. He's having a blast. Blasto. Alright guys, I'm gonna push. Should I push y'all? Hold on tightly, I'm gonna push you all. Knee.
Not that fast, you're still going. Okay. Megan, did you even vlog that part when I got hurt?
So I don't know if I did.
Okay, if you do, put that in the camera.
Okay.
Or put that in the vlog. You ready, you guys?
Okay, go down.
Here she goes. Oh, she already went down. Alright, ready, you guys? It's a long way down. Whee! That was fun.
Alright, Taylor. Little slide reenactment.
Oh, look at that blue tire swing.
Blue tire swing. I think we should go on it. Let's go.
Let's go on the
Let's
blue
go
tire
on the
swing.
blue tire swing. Good job, buddy boy. Good job. Alright. Tire swing. Let's go. I suggest you lay back on it, but you can do whatever you want. Just comfortable.
Landon, come up here, you won't get hit. Landon, you won't get hit. I won't hit you.
Whee!
I'm getting dizzy. Hit me too.
Okay, you want me to stop you?
She won't hit you.
Alright.
Hurry up and get up.
Spider-Man.
Oh,
Sorry about that. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. again, I say that you're never told to go down slides. So guess what? I'm gonna go down a slide.
To go down a slide? I'll go like that. Are you ready? Like this?
Me?
Yes.
Like what?
Okay, let's go down. What
Yes.
you were just talking about.
Like this?
Yes, like that.
Alright.
Come
No
down.
one. Turn. Here, come here.
Whoa. Oh, bye. Oh, guys, look at the clown.
Monkey bar time. Who wants to climb some monkey bars?
Me.
Alright. Get up. Let's see who can go all the way. All the way. Both of you. Get up.
One hand. Can you help me? I can't even. I gotta take off there.
Face of determination right there.
Wanna take it?
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to drop it, otherwise I won't fight.
Got her ring. Got her
It's my mommy's and dad's.
precious ring.
Well, just my mommy's. Not my
It's pretty. Okay.
dad's. Freaky. Alright, you ready?
She's going for it.
What is wrong with these things? Ow.
Skills. Skills, skills. Nice. Nice. Will she make it all the way?
Nope.
Alright. You know, those suckers are hard. It's really high, you guys. Okay, watch me do it. See how high it is. Let's see how high it is.
Sorry, you guys. Okay, she can almost touch the floor. Or the ground, I should say. Not floor.
These are tough.
Yeah?
And there's a lot of them, too. It's been a while, folks.
She made it. You ready to go on some swings? Let's go on the swings.
Go on the swing. Go on the swing. Landon's a swinging away. Guys, let's see if we can go on the train. Okay, we're gonna go on the train right now, guys. Wanna come with?
Yeah.
Okay, are we even allowed over there? I don't know if we're allowed, but let's have no regrets. Go! Taylor's rolling down this hill. Oh, so majestic. Love it. Good job. Hey, we're on the Gilman Express. Go ahead.
Don't you ever act cool and then you have the hiccups? It happens.
And don't ever act cool and pretend like you're not good enough for a playground, alright?
Yeah.
Because guess what? I am 15 years old and I am playing on this playground. I'm having a blast.
If you're like 20 years old.
Guys, let's make a train. Train, train, train. Train, train, train.
Oh yeah, let's make a train out.
Alright guys, here's that train.
Oh! We
Right.
went.
Alright, Landon, you weren't supposed to go down yet.
You ready?
Okay. Okay.
I'm behind you.
Go! Okay, maybe I should go first, and then I can hold all your weight.
Yeah.
Alright, let's redo this. Wait. Okay, are we ready?
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Awesome.
That was fun. Let's do it again. Ready? Okay, go! Okay. Ready?
That doesn't look fun, but I bet it's really fun right now.
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness!
How's this, Landon?
You got it, don't worry.
Just going in circles there. Hiccups. Sorry. Okay. Let's go. Let's go down the slide. Ready for this? Okay. Oh, should I go backwards? I might go backwards. No, I'll go sideways. Ready? That was fast.
Okay, he's going down.
Let's go right there.
Alright guys, let's take a little walk. Is that a secret note? That's I don't know what that is. Put that down.
Landon, come over here.
Wait, hold on, wait, come here.
Landon.
Landon!
Landon.
Come here. You have to stay in here. You have to stay in the hideout.
Hey, Landon, want a drink? Yeah. Yeah, let's go. I see a lot of candy wrappers. Yeah.
Any candy in them is the real question.
Not really.
Hello. Megan's driving.
Oh, really?
I will vlog this real quick.
Did you thank him? I was just about to ask what this means.
I can't really do it, but she's doing super good. She's going the speed limit, and yes, she can do it.
Yeah, that was ridiculous.
Alright guys, well since we can't go to school tonight, we are going to have a little hot tub party. I'm filling it up right now. And we're gonna have a blast. I like hot tubs personally because they're hot and they're so relaxing. We're gonna get some jets going, some bubbles going, and we're gonna have a good time, so check it out. Alright, everybody smile! Cute, you guys. It's getting so big! How you guys going? How are you guys going? How you guys doing?
Good.
Yeah, there's so many bubbles. Whoa!
We had jets on, but they're just...
Yeah, they're rising the bubbles. Yeah, when the bubbles start turning down. Cause the bubbles... Okay guys, I got a game. We're gonna play, see how many bubbles you can collect in a certain amount of time. Alright, on your marks, get set, go! Trying to see how many bubbles they could possibly collect in a certain amount of time. Keep collecting, keep collecting.
I don't have any more bubbles, but whatever.
There's not, their bubbles are running. They're coming by me, haha, it says.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see who won. Let's look at Taylor and Landon's pile. You guys are on a team. And then let's look at Holly's pile. Well, let's have our YouTubers vote. Who do they think should win? Comment down below who you guys think should win.
I should say, but you have to comment down below. Comment down
When Landon says comment down below, that means you have to comment down below.
It's not a choice.
It's not a choice.
Can I let go of my balls?
Yep, go ahead. So anyways, comment down below who you guys think won.
But you can. No, we can't. No, we're on real YouTube.
That moment when he realizes he's on the internet.
Oh, I almost flipped off like the moment.
Alright. Anyways, guys, so make sure you comment down below. And hey, while you're at it, like and subscribe. These children need your help. For only $1 a day, you can save these kids. Alright, we're going to turn the jets on again.
It's really loud.
Oh.
No, don't do it again. Landon, the bubbles are going to get good. Whoa.
We're going to get more bubbles. The water's attacking Taylor. Bubbles are coming.
They're coming to get us.
Oh no.
We need a no.
Maybe you should click the subscribe button so it can save these kids.
No. What did you just turn the upper button?
I didn't press anything.
Turn the upper button. Press the upper button.
That moment when you feel like there's a ghost.
Press the upper button. The button that you know, the two arrows that are up and down.
Yes.
Press the upper one. Or press jets again. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Are you pressing?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just kidding.
Mom! Brenda!
Alright, we're having some technical difficulties. Check back with you
No,
later.
that makes it worse. Okay.
Alright, everybody's getting snuggled in here, including Edgar the elk. Okay, anyways, and Landon, the giddy schoolboy. Are you a giddy schoolboy? Okay, giddy schoolboy is running off. Oh, but look who's in here. Anyways, brush my teeth. Alright, anyways, good night. I'm gonna brush my teeth. We're all gonna hit the hay. And, anyways, we will see you in a few seconds when we're all awakened in the morning. Right? Anyways. Good night. Alright guys, yo, good morning. It's misting out here, and yeah, I was really hoping to go in the pool, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be like this, all wet and rainy, then we can't go in the pool. Anyways, but on this fine Monday morning, I think for right now we're just gonna check on our bunnies and then head inside for some family fun and games, like the classic hide and seek, and then maybe some family feud. I'm looking forward to that, but I also really want to go swimming, so I'm hoping we can go swimming. But yeah, if it's like this, I don't know. Anyways, we will see you later. Check it out. It's wet all over the place, he says, and that is very true. It is so wet out here. Ugh. Wetter than heck. Yeah, the lens of my camera is like super, sorry, it's like misty. So if I'm blurry, sorry. Anyways, this little guy is anxious to get into the pool, so I think after lunch, even if it's gonna, I know it's gonna be cloudy the whole day, but even if it's raining, you feeling up for the pool?
Yeah!
Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! I'm excited to okay.
See the foamy?
See the foaming. That doesn't want. Anyway, so yeah, we're probably gonna hit the pool right now. Check out some family feud.
Pool.
Are you ready to play Family Feud? Ba-dum-bum-bum, ba-dum-bum-bum-bum, ba-dum-bum-bum. With our host, Megan Brown. Hello everyone, hi. Ready to meet your families? Alright, on team number 1, starting at 133 pounds. I'm just kidding, that's wrestling. Team number 1, we have the Grant/Brown family. Alright, and starting on team number 2, she's a single player, but she's good. Kayla Brown. Alright, let's do this. Ready for your question, ladies?
No.
If you were on a diet that allowed you to eat only one food, but as much as you wanted of it, what food would you choose? Kayla?
Chocolate.
And close.
I'm gonna say candy.
And but close. You guys are headed in the right direction.
Ice cream.
Ding ding ding! And Kayla got the 5,000 points, which means you guys are tied.
Alrighty then, we're gonna get our swimsuits on, go in the pool, and we're gonna have a blast. We will take you along. Okay, see y'all later.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm just kidding. Okay, these are my goggles, don't judge. Yeah, we're going in the pool on this very rainy day. Today, hey. Ooh, looks like Landon's gonna be the first one in.
Someone's a little gold here.
Okay, here. Let's clean the pool out first. Okay?
Oh, guys,
So
comment.
can someone else get in here and start cleaning it out?
Go. You clean it out. I look weird. Don't judge. Okay. So everyone's out here. We got Megan, Landon, Kayla, Holly, and me. Comment down below if your pool is warm or cold.
Okay, let's sit on the bench for a little bit while we do
and cleaned out the pool.
You guys, it's not that bad.
That's what you say now.
It's actually awesome, guys.
I need to get used for my upper body. I need to get used with my upper body. Stomach. She's loving it. You want to try getting your waist up? You want to start touching?
Alright, ready? I'm going to do a front flip.
Taylor's just stepping in. Not liking it too much. Not liking the burn, the pain. It's fun after you get in, but what do you have to do to get through it is... Okay, she's walking. She's walking.
You want to get it?
Sure.
Okay. How's it going, buddy?
Good.
Good.
Alright, I'm going to take a selfie.
Baby kid.
Alright, we're playing a little game called Guess That Mode.
Me and Landon's are going to be together.
Yeah, we're having a little team duel off here. They're each on the podium of doom. And it's basically where we have a little nozzle with different modes, and I'll spray a certain mode and they have to guess it. If they guess it incorrectly,
They get sprayed.
they get sprayed. It's the spray for them. Alright everybody, I'm going to play it now.
I know.
Oh, I think I know too.
Okay.
Wait, so
The people...
spray us for 3 seconds.
Okay. The people or person who got it wrong is... Okay, ready?
Yep.
Playing some gesture.
Not like you don't look at your ears hurt. Sounds too loud. Oh, one hour to my phone. Oh, yeah, it's just a game. Reaching up so high. The sky, holding on, gymnastics, hanging. Can I just say this is the opposite of?
Sure.
This is the opposite of.
Oh, they all fell down already.
Yeah.
Alright, well,
Take it out.
I think you guys got 2 points.
Yeah.
Happy thanks. Okay, it's me and Kendall's turn. Chubby cheeks. Monkey happy, joyful.
Happy.
Smoking. Cigarette. Push-ups. Worm, wave.
Yeah, worm. It was the worm.
Okay.
The other one, I forgot. It went from the bottom.
Oh, we didn't get it? And go.
Guys, one of these is naked. I know.
And at that very second, my camera battery died, so I didn't record anything after that. But it was fine because Taylor left like 5 minutes later. I just want to say how much fun I had. Even though the weather really didn't cooperate, the pool was freezing. I mean, I will admit it was fairly warm, but it was also fairly cold for what it should be at this time of year.
So the weather did not cooperate with us this weekend or really last weekend either. But I'm really hoping it will cooperate next time she comes. We'll have to see. Anyways, it's always fun with her, and I hope you guys enjoy. We will see you later. Bye.